In Chinese medicine, one of the most critical fundamentals is the mother-son relationship. It clearly indicates that a mother gives birth to a child, either a son or a daughter. It explains how internal organs interact with each other and diseases are transmitted from one to another. But that seems to be not the case in the world we live in. The thing is, almost all species in nature require a mother and a father to reproduce their next generations. Since traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, is the unification of humans and the natural world, why doesn't the father exist in Chinese medicine's theory and practice? Where is he in TCM? As a result, we need to think again about this thousands of years of theory just to make it more reasonable and logical to the law of nature. Take the normal distribution, or a bell curve for example. The mother-only concept is scarce in nature and makes it an extreme outlier of the curve. That said, the probability of this event happening is very, very low. Yet how much success have we seen in Chinese medicine and acupuncture practice? A lot. How does that make any sense? When a low probability outlier occurs so frequently that it outweighs the middle part of the curve, the chances are, this outlier belongs to another mechanism. A mechanism not only has a mother but also a father in it. That's the law and power of nature. So, the mother-son theory in TCM becomes the parents-children relationship to reflect nature's truthful and realistic situation. With the father's presence, the success for treating complex cases, such as numbness and intractable pain and functional disorders, becomes so much simpler and more manageable than ever before.